Namaste. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing great in your lives. Today we will be learning about Athapasnan. The word Athapasnan is made up of two words which are Athapa and Snan. The meaning of the word Athapa is sunshine, whereas the meaning of the word Snan is bathing. Thus, the meaning of the word Athapasnan is sunbathing. It is the yogic phrase used for the healing science of the sun. We can also describe Athapasnan as using the natural sunlight for treating various health issues. Now, there are various classifications of Athapasnan, but it is broadly classified into direct sunbath and indirect sunbath. Direct sun bath is practiced in the Western countries where people wearing minimum clothes expose whole of their bodies to the sun, whereas indirect sun bath is practiced under three other subcategories which are local sun bath, which includes of exposing certain part of your body to the sun to get various health benefits from the sunlight, whereas other parts of the body are covered with a cotton cloth. Second one is exposing yourself to the sun in cotton cloths. In this, the individual lies under the sun wearing cotton cloth. And the last one is banana leaf bath or plantain leaf wrap, about which we will be learning in detail in the further parts of the video. So before moving on to banana leaf bath, let us learn what all are the benefits of exposure to sunlight or athapasnan. Exposure to sunlight does not mean burning your skin. On the other hand, it actually means exposing yourself to the sun to get various health benefits from the sun rays. Sunlight is very much essential in helping in various of the health problems. It helps in regulation of melatonin, which is one of the essential hormone which is secreted by the pineal gland of your brain and helps in regulation of your sleep-wake cycle, that is your circadian rhythm. Its regulation, that is regulation of the melatonin, depends upon the intensity of sunlight. Also, it has been seen that people with decreased exposure to sunlight suffer from physical as well as psychological issues. Athapasnan helps to keep your hormonal level in check and keeps disorders at bay. A decreased exposure to sunlight would lead to various deficiencies including of vitamin D deficiency, calcium deficiency, which ultimately lead to various other health related problems such as rickets, osteomalacia, rheumatoid arthritis, lower back pain and many more. Athapasnan helps to purify your blood and regulates blood circulation in your body. Now, as sunlight includes of UVB rays, it is essential to expose yourself to the UVB rays as they help in the synthesis of vitamin D in human beings. Thus, if you are deficient of vitamin D, there would be a lot of health problems coming in your way. Other benefits of Athapasnan includes of it is very much essential in the cases of insomnia as it helps in regulating your sleep-wake cycle. It is helpful in the cases of obesity as it helps to reduce weight. Also, it is helpful for the people those who are suffering from various psychological issues, maybe depression, as it helps in secretion of one of the hormones which is serotonin. Serotonin helps to boost your mood and bring about calmness. It also helps in boosting your immune system. Various benefits of Athapasnan are also seen in infants as it helps in building stronger bones and teeth. Now, moving on to the indications of Athapasnan, it is indicated in the cases of lower back pain, rheumatoid arthritis, osteomalacia, rickets, osteoarthritis, as all of these issues are related to vitamin D deficiency. It is also indicated in the cases of calcium deficiency, various skin related issues such as scabies, psoriasis. It is also indicated in the cases of obesity, COPD, TB, etc. Various contraindications of Athapasnan includes of acne vulgaris, edema, leukemia, hypervitamin D, conjunctivitis, poisoning, hypertension, etc. One should drink at least 2 to 3 glasses of water before starting the practice. If during the practice the patient feels uneasy, immediately stop the practice and relax in some shady place. One should not eat anything at least 2 hours prior the practice. Eating anything immediately after the practice is prohibited. Drinking water is suggested as toxins are lost in the form of sweat and a lot of sweating may lead to dehydration. Once you are done with your practice, first sit for around 10 to 15 minutes in some airy shady place and then go for a cold water shower. Always cover your head with a wet towel. Now moving on to banana leaf bath, which is also known as plantain leaf wrap. In this, the individual lies down in the sun where whole of his body is covered with the banana leaves. This treatment is most of the time practiced in naturopathy and it facilitates the movement of green rays of the sun into the body, which are a very good antiseptic agents. For practicing this, you require almost 10 to 15 full length banana leaves per person. The individual is asked to wear minimum clothes and drink at least 2 to 3 glasses of water before the practice. Practicing it before 12 o'clock would be the best timing for this type of bath because it requires a lot of sunlight so that the toxins are removed in the form of sweat. Now place a mat on the floor and place a wet blanket over the mat. Then place ropes at an equal interval. Moving on further, place 10 to 15 full-length banana leaves over the ropes in such a way that the inner part of the banana leaves touches the body of the patient. Now cover the patient in those banana leaves and tie him with the help of the ropes. Do not cover the nose so that the patient is able to breathe. Let the patient stay in the same condition for around 20 to 40 minutes. Almost half to 1 liter of toxins in the form of sweat would be released. Once the practice is done, ask the patient to sit in shade for around 15 to 20 minutes and then he can go for a cold water shower. Always remember that the patient is advised to wear minimum clothes. In the case patient feels uneasy, immediately stop the practice and let the patient relax in shade. It is a wonderful treatment in the cases of obesity and various other skin disorders. Now, the leaves which you have used once, do not throw them or do not give them to the grazing animals because it may turn poisonous once the practice is completed. Slight headache or tiredness is quite normal after the practice. Healthy individual can perform it once in a month, whereas people those who are suffering from certain illnesses can perform it twice a week. Benefits of banana leaf bath. It helps to detoxify the body and is one of the most effective weight loss therapies. It helps to filter out toxins from the body and also allows the life energy to flow into various parts of the body, which aids in the regeneration of tissues, muscles, and organs of the body system. These green leaves contain medicinal properties that can treat skin problems like rashes, insect bites, and skin irritation. Banana leaf paste can be used to treat minor skin wounds. It can be used to treat kidney related issues and body pain. As of now, you are very much aware about Athapasnan and tremendous benefits of sunlight exposure. Do not forget to use your knowledge for staying healthy.